my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
This cocktail is the perfect Caribbean cocktail. This is, of course, the Pina Colada. This was invented in Puerto Rico in the 1950s, and it's become a staple ever since. Normally you see it blended in a big hurricane glass, but today we're gonna make a classic one for you with fresh ingredients. Start with our cocktail glass. We're gonna add some fresh ice. We're gonna serve this on the rocks. And just set that aside. It's gonna be a shaken cocktail, so we take our small cocktail shaker. We're gonna add a mix of rums. We're gonna have an ounce of white rum, ounce of a dark aged rum, two ounces of coconut cream, and 2 ounces of fresh pineapple juice. And if you're using fresh pineapple juice, it's the natural acidity in a fresh pineapple juice that really gives this cocktail, when using fresh ingredients, the balance it's looking for. Now we have everything in, we're just gonna shake this up, fill our shaker with ice. Large cocktail shaker goes on top. Give that a little tap, make sure it's sealed. And then we're just gonna give it the good old shake, 5 to 8 seconds. Break the seal, separate the cocktail shaker. And we're just gonna single strain this into our glass with the freshly prepared ice. Perfect. Now just to garnish this one, if you have it, pulling a nice pineapple spear from the head, that green color just adds a nice bit of context and contrast with a fresh piece of pineapple, just to complement the drink. And there we have it, the perfect beach time, freshly made Pina Colada.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.